So the Millennium complex has 4 towers and they all are 199 meters high. They have 53 floors. A good afternoon. I'm here at the building complex called the Millennium. It is the 25th of November around 12 o'clock. And 25th of November means the raining season is over, which also means it's perfect weather to go and film apartments. So that's why today I want to take you guys along filming a penthouse here at the Millennium. We are going to the 44th floor. We're going to see amazing views of the Bangkok Park. And in general, I just want to give you a bit of an update about how my work is doing. So let's go. Here at the penthouse that I wanted to show you, and the main reason why I really love this place is because it's a very bright open space. It's a duplex penthouse. We are here on the 44th floor of the Millennium building, and look at these views. Here to the right you have the Bangkok Park with the One Bangkok project in the back. Here in front you have the Queen Circuit National Convention Center and the other 3 towers of the Millennium. So this unit is 316 square meters and the master bedroom is over there. And you almost have a 360 degrees view of the city. Here you have the whole Asoke, Nana and Planchit area. Yeah, the views in Bangkok are sometimes absolutely amazing. So this unit is for rent. It's a 3 plus 1 bedroom apartment. So you have 3 proper bedrooms and then there is a kind of office room. So this is the office slash man cave, and what's the difference between this and a regular bedroom is that there is no bathroom in this one. And then across the hallway you have the second bedroom. And as you can see, every room has a beautiful view. And imagine this in the evening. It's absolutely stunning. You can also see how green this area is now with the whole Bangkok Park in front, and then all the bushes that you see in the back there, that's Lumpini. And there you have the Dusetani project and what I mentioned before, the One Bangkok. Here you have a proper bathroom. On this floor you also have the kitchen. So let me show you that. With a dishwasher, oven, electric hob, microwave. Yeah, normally when you have these kinds of units, they have a special washing area. So here you have the dryer and the washer and the maid's room, but often the maid's room is used as a kind of storage. The maid's room also has a small bathroom. You know, the maid's rooms in these kind of apartments mostly are not the best rooms. And what I said, a lot of times you can just use it for storage. This is also a storage area where you have the main electricity switch. So let's go up. There are 2 more bedrooms. You always have this strobing effect, you know, when I'm filming apartments. I always try to close these lights as much as possible. So this is the 3rd bedroom. And as you can see, from every room you have perfect views. Private bathroom here as well. And here we're getting to the master bedroom. We have a walk-through closet or a walk-in closet. A bit of a media area. And then the round bed here. This doesn't move, just so you know. And from here you have a nice view as well. Yeah, what I said, you can imagine how this will look in the night. So if you're interested in renting this apartment, you can send us an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com, and I actually made a professional video about this unit as well on my Sukhumvit Homes YouTube channel, so I will put the link in the description. Here we have the bathroom with a double sink. Bathtub. If you follow Global Travel Mate, you know that we have a real estate company, and normally we are taking care of big units like this, but of course not everybody can afford this. So we are also having really good connections with different agents in Bangkok where we worked with before, and if you're interested, we can hook you up with an agent that can also take care of 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, let's say 30, 50 or 60,000 baht. So feel free to connect with us at info@sukhumvithomes.com, and we will get you in touch with a recommended agent. Anyway, down here we have the swimming pool, so let me bring you to the facilities and show you a bit more about the Millennium building. Here at the club level you have the swimming pool and all the facilities. So the Millennium has 4 towers. And they are all 199 meters high, and they have 53 floors. The facilities include a big gym here, there's a sky garden, and there's also a tennis court. Anyway, if you're interested in renting this penthouse, you can send us an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. If you enjoyed this video, then feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.